Welcome back to Funnels and Flow. In our last lesson, we broke down the key components of inbound marketing, everything from content and SEO to lead generation and customer delight. Now we're taking things to the next level by showing you how to execute inbound marketing using HubSpot. HubSpot isn't just a tool, it's your inbound marketing command center. From managing context to creating content to automating emails, it's designed to help you attract, engage, and delight your audience. Let's get to it. Let's start with the foundation, setting up your HubSpot CRM. A clean, organized CRM isn't just nice to have, it's essential for tracking and automating your efforts. First, make sure your contact properties are structured correctly. Fields like lifecycle stage, lead status, and source need to be crystal clear so that you can track the leads as they move through the funnel. If your business has specific needs like tracking webinar attendance or preferred communication methods, you can create custom properties to capture that data. And don't forget to segment your contacts into lists. For example, if you're a marketing consultant, you might create a list of leads who downloaded your 30-day social media content plan. Now you can send them personalized follow-up based off of what you already know that they're interested in. Next, we're going to talk about attracting visitors with HubSpot's content tools. This is where you bring your audience to you with resources that they can't ignore. Start with HubSpot's blog tool to create and publish content that ranks well on search engines. Pair it with the built-in SEO recommendations to fine-tune your keyword placement, readability, and internal linking. Skip the complexities of outbound strategy. Focus instead on creating consistent, valuable content that drives organic traffic to your site. For example, let's say you're a virtual assistant targeting solo entrepreneurs. You publish a blog called 5 Time Management Hacks for Business Owners and share it on your website. With the right SEO, your blog draws readers in naturally, and you've just started filling your pipeline. Here's a pro tip. Consistency builds trust. Set up a schedule for publishing high-quality content so your audience knows and relies on you for your fresh insights. Now that you're attracting visitors, it's time to convert them into leads. This is where HubSpot's lead capture tools shine. Landing pages are your secret weapon. These focus pages are designed to do just one thing: capture information. Add pop-up forms or embedded forms that ask for just the essentials. The fewer fields, the better here. Add CTAs that are clear and compelling, like download your free guide or schedule your free consultation, and don't underestimate the power of live chat or chat bots. They're perfect for answering questions and qualifying leads in real time. So picture this, your business coach offering a free goal-setting worksheet for entrepreneurs. Your landing page highlights the benefits of using the worksheet with a bold CTA that says, "Get your free worksheet now." Visitors enter their email, and just like that, they're in your funnel. Here's a pro tip. Keep the focus on one action per landing page. Too many options leads to confusion and fewer conversions. Once you've captured those leads, the next step is to nurture them with HubSpot's automation tools. This is where you turn warm leads into hot prospects. Workflows are your go-to tool for automating email sequences. Let's say someone downloads your free guide. Your workflow could send them a welcome email immediately, follow up 2 days later with a case study, and then send an invitation to book a call. Here's a pro tip. Use personalization tokens. So like leads first name or company. So instead of saying, "Hey there, I've worked with companies like yours in the past," you could say, "Hey Jasmine, I've worked with companies like Driven Ops in the past." And you can do that at scale with personalization tokens in HubSpot. That's all for this lesson. Remember, inbound marketing is a process. Every step you take from here brings you closer to success. To help you apply what we've covered today, I've created a take-home exercise that will guide you through starting this out yourself in HubSpot. For those that registered, check your inbox. Otherwise, see you in the next lesson.